everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to remove the door stop or the door strap. First we need to remove the door card. We'll remove this plastic first. Here we have a couple of screws that we need to undo. We have one more that is here, and behind this cap here, one more. Now they are all out. We should just pull the door card from here. I should have taken the window switch as well first. To get the window switch out, push from here and it should come out like this. And there's the plug here. You need to press it from here and it comes out. Looks like I forgot about this screw that was here. I already done this tutorial how to remove the door card a while ago, but it looks like I forgot what I'm supposed to do. So yeah, I need to undo this screw as well. To recap, you have to undo the screw here, here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. And then you pull, because it has clips to the side. Next you unclip the mirror switch from here. This is the plug for the ambient light on the door. This is the cable to open the door. I think you should. Just pull it from here and hooks from there. To get to the door strap here, looks like I need to remove the speaker and have one bolt here, and it's a 7mm. Looks like it's not coming out, so I'll pry it. Oh, okay. You can pry it with a screwdriver, and it should come out like this. I'm gonna leave it hanging for now. I'll remove this 10mm bolt and see what's going on. To get the door stop out, you have to remove this rubber seal. You get these two bolts out and should come out. So it looks like it's a 10mm. So this is how it looks. You put the new one in and you're done. I went further to disassemble the door card. So this is the ambient light that is in the door. To get to it, you have to unclip this. You have clips from the back here, and you have to push them in. So the ornament comes like this, and you have to push them from here, and the plug is there on the ambient light, and you just remove this. The ambient light goes here and comes out like this. So this small LED, it's giving that red glow. As always, I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next one.